Hello everyone, in this video I just want to show you how to navigate our course Moodle. Basically, one of the things that I like about Moodle is that we have three main panels. So the central panel, the side panel on the left. If you click the over here, you can see the course index, which shows you all the different parts of the course. As an index, I usually use it a lot because I use it as a my go-to place to find where I am in the sections that I want to use and I want to visit. So we can close it if I move my camera over here. So that's the course index with all basically an index, a structure of the whole course, all the different sections. We are right now on the main page, where we can see in the central panel the announcements and support forum. But on the side, on the left, then we can see everything that is happening, all the different sections, the weekly batches, the live online meetings, week one introduction. And as you can see, it reflects also the central panel at the top. So you can either access all the different parts through the course index. I usually have it open because I find it very easy to use. But obviously you can use whatever works for you. If I close that one and then I look at the central panel, I can see at the top that there are different tabs. So this is the overview. If I click on the orientation, which is compulsory, then the new tab will open. I can see that I've completed the section already because you can see the button has turned green and it says done once you've watched all the videos. And if I go to at the top, then basically I have all the different sections of the weekly batches. Same thing. Once you click on them, you can see the content there, the live online meetings, introductions for week one, week two, week three, week four, showcase and reflect, and then certificate of completion. There's also a third section here, which is important and is on the right. So we have three panels. We have the index panel in the middle, right here, the index panel on the left, then the central panel, but we also have this panel here on the, let me move my camera, on the right. If I click here, then I have also lots of different options that are very useful. So I have the latest announcements, upcoming events, very important, as Nelly mentioned in her video. Once you go to your profile, it's important to add your country and time zone so that it reflects the actual time zone. For me, it is 4 p.m. here, 4:40, because I'm in Central European time. If you scroll down, you can see the checklist and progress bar. Once you've checked those different tools, the activities, I'm the online user right now, and the completion progress. So I can see that I've completed all these different sections and your batches as well. So basically I'm at level 8 now, and I've completed the introduction, the orientation section, so that's why I got my badge. So very important, if you look at the top right, then you will see your profile, and then you can see accessibility, profile, grades, calendar, preferences, logout. Once you go to your profile, important to make sure that you add all the different information so that, for example, in this case, the time zone is Europe Madrid for me, and then your profile with the different sections. Okay, so I hope that was useful. Let me just go back to my main page. So that's the course. If I go onto the course, then I'm back at the beginning. Okay, thank you. Bye.